Good morning, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 9 screencast video. Um, as I say here in my announcement, I was really impressed with the choices of readings and the robust discussion about higher education. There were many good conversations happening in this last discussion board. So if you have not finished up your comments, I urge you to do so over the next day or so. Moving into week 9, we're going to be working towards a topic for each and every one of you with the invention activity, which is due Sunday, here, Sunday, end of day. Um, Responses for discussion board 9 will be on Tuesday. And then on Friday, the instructions in discussion board 10 are asking you for a research proposal. So hopefully, we can have another robust discussion about topics and problems and solutions. Remember, as I'm trying to move into the course units, that the problem should be of consequence and manageable scale. Also, that the solutions are workable and solvable. All right. So, in the overview, I also want to remind everybody to please look and use the resources, the video resources for using and citing sources. As the assignment states, you must use 3 outside sources for your proposal essay, using and citing according to MLA guidelines, and those videos will help with that. Also, in the instructions itself in the course unit, I have added a handout, an organizational outline. You might want to draw your attention to this. I will talk about the structure of the essay in next week's screencast video. So right before we start drafting for essay 3, and also please review the principles of citation. All right. So as we move through the unit, let me see if there's anything else I need to cover. I believe we have everything in this week's screencast video. All right. If you have any questions or issues regarding the discussion boards, revisions, assignments, topics, remember, I want to emphasize that SA3 is a problem in higher education. I'm not entertaining any of the possibilities of topics outside of that range. All right. So, discussion board number 9, first post tonight, responses Tuesday, and then the research proposal and responses the end of the week. All right. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Good luck.